43. Gold. This is the Makki Surah, and it is fourth in number among the group of surahs that begin with the word HaMim. It was revealed in the middle Makkan period. It has 89 verses in 7 sections. The surah tells us that the revelation is a mercy from Allah. Allah chooses whosoever He wills to give His revelation. The worldly goods and riches don't necessarily mean that a person is best in the sight of Allah. The real value comes from following the truth and righteousness. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. This revelation is given to people in Arabic so that they may understand. The revelation is a mercy from Allah. Number 2. Shirk and blind following of ancestors are major problems of non-believers. Number 3. Allah chooses the prophets and messengers according to His wisdom. The worldly riches do not mean much in the sight of Allah. Number 4. Those who forget Allah come under the influence of the Satan. Number 4. Pharaoh's response to Prophet Moses. Allah's punishment came against Pharaoh and his people. Number 6. Jesus' message was also changed by some of his people. Number 7. The believers will succeed in the hereafter.